Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this various models of JBL Bluetooth speakers. So the purpose of this video is this all speakers has 40 mm driver size. So you may find crackling sound in any of these models. There is a full chance you may have crackling sound in these models. Usually the problem is the rubber surround, the ring. Let me show you. This type of speaker has this size drivers. You can see there is a complete bad rubber surround in this speaker. This is 40 mm driver, and this same driver is there in this model. This Flip 2 has this driver, Flip 1 has the same driver, and JBL Charge has the same driver. Rest of the speaker has different designs, but the size will be similar of 40 mm like this. So the problem is this rubber surround. So to replace that rubber surround, you can see here, this is the brand new surround which is for sale here in AudioViz 360 and in the gadget spares. The number given here which belongs to gadget spares. This rubber surround comes in a packet of one like this and a packet like this with two rings. So if you want more than this, you can just directly message to this number and you can ask any number of pieces, and for one piece price will be given in the description and in the title here. Just for the demonstration purpose, let me keep this rubber surround here. So you can see the size, it is perfectly 40 mm. So if you want to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number here, and price will be given in the description and in the title. So it is first time in India these rings are available for sale. It is not at all available in any platform. This is the first time I am selling in the YouTube platform. Even in the YouTube these rings are not available. So if you find any crackling sound problem, you can just replace the rubber ring here. So all these models I will tell you one by one. This is JBL Pulse, this has 40 mm driver. This is JBL Flip 4, this has 40 mm driver. And this is JBL Flip 2, this has 40 mm driver. This is JBL Flip 1, this has 40 mm driver, and this is also Flip 1, this is also Flip 2, the black edition. And this is JBL Flip 3, this has 40 mm driver. This is JBL Clip 2, this has 40 mm driver. This is JBL Go Plus, this has 40 mm driver. This is JBL Go, all these three. This JBL Go has 40 mm driver. And here this is JBL Go 2, this has 40 mm driver. This is JBL Charge, these two are JBL Charge, this has 40 mm driver. This is Philips BT50, this has 40 mm driver. There are so many models, there are so many Bluetooth speakers which has 40 mm drivers. I have seen so many speakers with the bad rubber surround. So this is first time available in India. This is 40 mm driver rubber ring. So you can replace the bad ring with this ring instead of wasting the speaker because of the crackling sound. Before buying, you just tear down the speaker and check whether the rubber surround is bad or not. If it is bad, then definitely this ring will be helpful. If you would like to buy this rubber ring, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give it in the title and in the description. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.